What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through the trades I took on SPY today, give you the reasoning behind my levels. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so now let's talk about my first trade I took today. One of the trades I took was with another Team Bull admin, Brandon. I took one of his levels. So I'm going to be discussing two of the trades I took. Let's take a look here. My game plan pre-market was to catch a downtrend entry on the 5 minute. Then right at open, I told everyone inside Team Bull, I said I want to see a push down. And I want to pull back to this 412.2, 412.3. And I want to enter puts. It's a nice retest, breakdown retest. We got inputs here, caught the move down. I was completely out of this trade. I believe right in this area here. Very nice trade. I trimmed once right here. Next sell, I was completely out down here. Beautiful trade. Very happy with the way the contracts moved. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. You're probably wondering why I didn't leave runners or hold my position longer. And it's because we have FOMC minutes today. When I trade before FOMC minutes, meetings, big data, I tend to scalp more. Okay. The second trade I took today was the exact levels I gave everyone during my pre-market live. Keep in mind that downtrend entry was part of our game plan as well. The second was this 410.2 bounce. I got in this trade here with calls, took the move up, scalped, and out. Very simple levels. This 410.2 to 409 area is a nice demand zone. 410.2 happened to be a nice support as well, and it lined up right at one of my SPX support. Kind of had two support levels close together, so I took it off the bottom one. One of the key things you can take away from this on days that we have big data meetings, it's never a bad thing to sit it out unless you like trading that sort of thing, or beforehand, before it happens. I always recommend kind of scalping because it can get away from you quickly. I've seen days it can cause an A plus setup to go bad very fast. I'm sure a lot of you more experienced traders have been in trades. Somehow data dropped, slipped your mind. You be in a A plus setup, data drops, and it causes it to go against you. Also, I hope a lot of you did take this level inside Team Bull with me. I love seeing you all make a bag with me. If you would like to join Team Bull, if you're not with us, feel free to join. I'll leave a link in the description. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.